let's dive into the foundation, which is the types of meetings that exist. One type is a brainstorming meeting. And as it suggests, it has to do with brainstorming. This is where you are bringing a department together, or you're bringing people from multiple entities together, and you want to brainstorm. One of the biggest setbacks for brainstorming meetings is that, number one, people are not told what the purpose of the meeting is, and number two, they're not given time to think about it. So what happens is you show up at this meeting and they say, guess what, today we're going to brainstorm about. So right on the spot, you're supposed to come up with all of these wonderful ideas. Most human brains do not instantly think of the next greatest thing. It needs some time to incubate. So if you're ever in charge of a brainstorming meeting, ideally what you'd like to do is send out a notice at least 2 weeks ahead of time. We're going to brainstorm on, and list the topic. That way people can actually begin thinking about what are some ideas about this topic. Now, if you want to be really productive, if everybody is in the same location who's going to be attending this meeting, you would set up what the Harvard Business School calls a brainstorming wall. And that is where you list the title of the brainstorming that you want to have, and as people come up with ideas or questions about it, they slap a note on the wall. And that generates more and more and more ideas until you're actually ready for the day of the meeting. For people who are not all in the same office, you're coming in from other locations, or if the meeting is virtual, you can set up a virtual version of this in something as simple as a Google Doc that everybody can have access to and list their ideas and list their questions. The whole point is that they are being given thinking time before they arrive. And if they do that, it will be one of the most productive brainstorming meetings you will ever have, because nobody is cold. Everybody is walking in with their brains already lubricated to start thinking. So that's one type of meeting, is a brainstorm.